Could you go ahead and hand me that plastic bag that looked like a little bit of weed in there? And your purse, ma'am?
What about it?
Just hand it to me real quick.
Why?
Because I saw it. That gives me probable cause.
Probable cause for what?
You actually go ahead and step out for me real quick, okay?
For what?
Just step out and we'll talk out here.
For what?
Because I am allowed to direct you to step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
But what is the purpose?
Because you're going to be placed under arrest for driving on a suspended driver's license.
How?
On July 17, 2023, Illinois officers stopped a vehicle for registration expired nearly 1 year, a routine infraction that escalated into a custodial arrest involving cannabis, a suspended license, and a contested physical extraction. 3 legal frameworks govern this encounter: the Plainview Doctrine, Illinois Cannabis Transport Law, and the use of force standard under Graham versus Connor.
Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. It's a traffic stop. Stay in the vehicle.
I'm right here off of Highway 50 and
It's Regency right there.
Huh?
This is CC Food Mart. I think the address is 1011 West Highway 50.
West Highway 50.
Do me a favor and could you go ahead and get off the phone real quick? We'll do our business and then be on your way, ma'am.
I'm listening.
Okay. Do you got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle? The reason I stopped the vehicle is the registration's almost been expired for about a year now. Were you aware of that?
No, I haven't been aware, but I've been trying to get this mug.
Could you go ahead and hand me that plastic bag that looked like a little bit of weed in it?
When the driver opened her purse, the officer observed cannabis in a plastic bag. Under Coolidge versus New Hampshire, 403 U.S. 443, 1971. Warrantless seizure is constitutional when 3 elements are met: lawful police presence, item in plain view, and incriminating character immediately apparent. The stop was lawful. The bag was open and unobstructed. Cannabis in an unsealed plastic bag is immediately apparent as contraband. All 3 elements satisfied. The seizure was constitutional.
And your purse, ma'am?
What about it?
Just hand it to me real quick.
Why?
Because I saw it. That gives me probable cause.
Probable cause for what?
We can do this easy way or hard way. I'll work with you if you work with me, okay? Is that all it is? Thank you. You got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle? Can I see your ID real quick? And do you have insurance on it, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Should show up.
Do you have an app or anything on your phone by chance? Said no? Do me a favor, whenever you find it, just give me a thumbs up and I'll come and check it out, okay? Find it, Miss Gilbert? Okay, that's been expired for over a year. Do you have anything?
No, that's the old one, but it's the same thing.
Can you pull up a Geico app on your policy or get policy on your phone or anything?
No, it's through my mom. My mom is on the phone.
See if she could get you a copy of it and send it to you.
I don't, the original copy, the new copy is at home, but you can still run it and it's up to date.
You're supposed to have a valid card on your account.
I don't have a card.
Is your mom looking for a valid one?
Huh?
Is your mother looking for a valid insurance card by chance?
No, my mom had. Mom, send it to me.
Hang tight, I'll be back with you in a sec. Let me know if you find one, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because in the state of Illinois, even though it's legal recreationally, it still has to be in an odorless, sealed.
It is odorless.
No, it is not. I saw it though.
You saw it, but you didn't.
Yeah, that's called
it.
probable cause. It's still illegal to possess, and if you're going to have it in the state of Illinois, it has to be in the container you get it from in the dispensary. It has to be sealed still and odorless and childproof.
So, I'm not a child. Ain't nobody in it.
It doesn't matter. By state statute, you have to. It has to be in the sealed container.
Illinois legalized recreational cannabis in 2020, but 410 ILCS 705, Section 1035 strictly governs motor vehicle transport. Cannabis must remain in its original dispensary packaging, sealed, odor-proof, and child-resistant. An unsealed plastic bag does not meet that standard, regardless of quantity or intent. Legal possession does not equal legal transport. The container violation is a separate independent offense from any other charge arising from the stop.
No, just send it to me.
Actually, go ahead and step out for me real quick, okay?
For what?
Just step out and we'll talk out here.
For what?
Because I am allowed to direct you to step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
But what is the purpose?
Because you're going to be placed under arrest for driving on a suspended driver's license.
How?
Your license is suspended. I'll explain that all out of the vehicle. Come on. Come on. Ma'am,
Don't
step out of the
touch me.
vehicle.
Mom,
Step out of the vehicle. I'm not
so
trying to get you any extra charges. Just step out.
I'm getting arrested for a license suspension.
Ms. Gilbert, step out of the vehicle.
I am.
Come on,
I
let's
am.
go.
You don't have to touch
Well,
me.
then step out.
I am.
Are you trying to get obstruction charges?
No,
then
you
step
just told
out.
me to do something.
Then step out.
You just told me to do something.
Ms. Gilbert,
right?
I am trying to work with you as much as I possibly can.
You just told me to do something, right? He just told me to do something.
You need to step
Just step out of the vehicle.
At this moment.
A Missouri suspension returned on Illinois databases constitutes a Class A misdemeanor under 625 ILCS 5, Section 6303. Officers hold full custodial arrest authority for this offense. An out-of-state suspension carries the same legal weight as an Illinois suspension. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 16, 1977, officers may order any occupant from a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop without additional justification. Refusal to exit is not a protected right, and the driver's repeated question, "For what?" carries no legal weight once a lawful exit order has been issued.
Go ahead and set your phones up on top of the vehicle.
You just told me to do
Set
something.
your phones on top of the vehicle.
Mom.
I'm trying to work with you as much as I possibly can. Ms. Gilbert.
Hold on, I'm fit too.
Relax.
Let go, let go, let
Relax.
go,
You're gonna
let
make this
go.
a
No,
lot
you
worse.
you making it. I'm not because he putting his hands on me.
relax.
You just
Relax.
told me to do something. I can't even
Relax.
do it. Let me
Relax.
go. Let
Relax,
me go.
ma'am.
This
Relax.
you detaining me.
Relax.
No.
You're being placed under arrest. You're not being
Because
detained.
I'm saying.
You're being
I can't
placed under arrest.
Really,
Look,
they don't get broke. They don't get broke.
I cannot do that. Look, I will relax if you just.
Don't let go of the phone. Please let go of the phone. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going nowhere.
You're going in. Relax.
That's what I'm talking about.
You can still talk to her right
No, that's disrespectful. Y'all can't detain me and put
You're
your
not being
hands
detained.
on
You're
me.
being placed under
Yeah,
arrest.
But y'all can't put your hands on me. Y'all just
not
told me
true.
to do a direct order and y'all telling me do otherwise, but then y'all put your hands on me. That's not right.
Relax. Relax, okay? Relax.
Bending my finger.
Relax.
Damn, why you bending my finger?
Relax.
Then? Well, tell him to let go of my finger.
You need to relax so we can get the handcuffs
He
on you.
can put the handcuffs on me
Relax.
without you there grabbing my finger like
Ms.
that.
Gilbert,
Let
is there
me
anything
go.
else?
Shut my door, please.
Well, everything on you I need to know about? Anything in the
Shut
vehicle?
my door, please, and thank you.
You will put your door down.
Okay.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I need my purse.
Don't
Relax.
keep walking towards the car.
Okay, shut my door. Shut my door.
Alright, let's go. We're gonna
They not shutting my door. That's what I'm saying.
We're not gonna leave your car door open.
Clearly.
It's gonna be towed in.
Then why are you grabbing me
Just
like
your
this?
tense.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Ms. Gilbert.
Let me go.
Have a seat in there.
Hold on.
No, let
What's
me
in-
go.
What's in his pocket?
Cause it hurts.
Relax.
Then let me go. I can't relax if you holding me like this.
Get in the vehicle.
Let me go.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, let me go. I got it. Damn.
Get in the vehicle.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't like police officers. This is exactly why they treat y'all the way they treat y'all.
Because you can't listen to
No, because you
instructions.
disrespectful. You can't listen
I asked
to
you
it.
polite numerous times.
No, you didn't. No, you did not. How you gonna tell somebody to do a direct order and you ain't?
Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, establishes the objective reasonableness standard. Force is evaluated through three factors: the severity of the offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether there was active resistance or attempted flight. Here, misdemeanor offenses, no weapon, no flight, but the driver actively pulled away during handcuffing. Empty hand control was proportionate. No strikes, no taser, no escalation beyond what the resistance required. The officer receives a B-. The stop was lawful, plain view correctly applied, and cannabis law accurately explained on scene. The deduction: multiple officers issued simultaneous conflicting commands. A tactical failure that unnecessarily prolonged the extraction. The driver receives a D+. Voluntary surrender of the cannabis bag earns partial credit. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest does not, and exposed her to additional charges the officers ultimately chose not to pursue. For officers, designate a single contact officer to issue commands. Simultaneous contradictory orders from multiple officers create confusion and invite resistance, and that confusion shifts moral weight toward the subject. For citizens, Compliance at the scene is the correct choice regardless of disagreement with the arrest. Physical resistance never improves the legal outcome. The challenge belongs in court, through counsel, not on the sidewalk. For motorists, recreational legality does not override transport packaging law. Know the container requirements before the cannabis enters the vehicle. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
You tell them I got her in custody. And while she's getting her ID out, she pulls a bag of weed out of her purse. Registration's been expired almost a year.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I stopped her. Insurance card's been expired for over a year.
Is it suspended for mandatory?
Nope. It's a Missouri plate. She just does it as a suspended out of Missouri. She's suspended out of Missouri. I can still write her on the suspended, can I?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can write the plate suspended. She's suspended.
No, the plate's not suspended. It's just
Or, I
expired.
mean, you can write her. You can write her ticket for registration expired. She's suspended. There's a ticket. Your driver in possession of adult use cannabis.
Yeah. Fucking splitting. Should get her for obstruction too, or resisting. I don't want to deal with it. You got enough air back there? You want the air on? Okay.